Hey guys, the reviewer CA here, and my mic wasn't working the last time around, so I already unboxed this, but I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for it anyways. Okay, Amazon Prime package, and in it is the Baofeng Professional FM Transceiver. Professional quality, user-friendly design, features, long communication range, noise reduction circuit, battery saver, scrambler, high capacity lithium-ion battery, FM radio, long standby time. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, and here's the actual radio itself. It's a little guy, but works very well, and came with a nice big battery. I already have a smaller unit, but it's got a much smaller battery on it. Okay. And then it comes with a very nice premium headset. And it comes with the strap and charger and the antenna, belt clip, actual English instruction manual, and then the base charger system. Which plugs in like that, plug it in, and it clicks right in. It's not too bad of a unit. We've used it probably a good 10 to 12 miles in distance. Maybe up to 15, but that's depending where you are, if you're up higher, if you're in the lowlands. And turn it on. Yep, okay. Try the radio, that's the easiest thing to get under here. The radio comes in. It's got a nice scanning. And I'll be doing a quick review on this pretty soon. Okay, take care, guys.